Hello everyone, and you're welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola, and today of course we are going to be learning something totally new. And of course I want us to look at the anatomy of heel. Now I know most times we only know that okay, I'm creating heel, but do you know the names of every part of the heel? Now let's say a stiletto, for example. Can you name all of the parts of a stiletto? Today I'm going to be opening us to this particular information, and I want you to sit back. Now before I leave, I need you to know that what we do on this channel is make sure making it easy and simple for you. So if you're watching for the first time, I need you to sit back, listen to this, and of course when you are through, please make sure you go through our channel. You will see amazing designs and amazing footwear that you can actually create for yourself at the comfort of your home. All we do is make sure making easy and simple for you. We want to reduce your family expenses on footwear. We also want to actually help you to be able to build or create a new income stream. And of course, we are going to be doing that once again today by learning and adding to what we already know. Now, before I forget, I'm also going to be teaching us how to calculate our feet heel height. Do you know that there is a particular heel height that is perfect for your foot? Yeah, I need you to sit with me and let us go right into this. I want us to look at this particular picture that we have right on the screen. I know you are very familiar with the insole. I know you are very familiar with the lining. But can you tell me that you are very familiar with what we call the vamp? Are you very familiar with what we call the top line? Now look at the part that is called the pitch. Do you know what that is actually called? Now look at the part that is called top piece. Wow, I'm really learning from this. Top piece. You can also see where it's in the part that is labeled quarter or counter. We also have the heel. Of course, you know what the heel is. Wow, there is heel breast. What? What? Have you actually heard about that before? I'm sure looking through this picture, you must have added to your knowledge about the anatomy of a heel and of course the various parts of heel and their name. So let's quickly go into how do I calculate the appropriate heel height for my foot. Yeah. So you're going to be using the formula that you have on the screen to calculate yours. Go ahead and calculate yours and let me know in the comment section. So if your foot is actually 21 centimeter, just divide it by 3.5. Whatever the answer is the most appropriate heel height for you to actually wear. Yeah, come on, I'll go to the comment section and do that. Thank you for joining me today. And of course, our children footwear masterclass is still on, and we're going to be rounding off November 1st. I am so excited about this. And trust me, if you miss the class, you can also always join the next batch. I will of course be letting us know when the next batch is going to be starting. Today, of course, we actually ended sandals, and of course we are going to be going into heels and into shoes and dress shoes, of course, for the remaining days before we finally round off the class. Thank you once again for joining me. I'm still your shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.